What is confidence?
Confidence is the belief in your own abilities and decisions.
How can confidence help you in life?
Confidence helps you face challenges and achieve goals easily.
Why is confidence important?
It is important because it builds self-respect and courage.
What happens when a person lacks confidence?
They often doubt themselves and miss opportunities.
How can someone build confidence?
Confidence can be built through practice and positive thinking.
What is the first step to becoming confident?
The first step is believing that you can improve.
How does body language show confidence?
Standing tall and maintaining eye contact show confidence.
What role does self-talk play in confidence?
Positive self-talk strengthens belief in oneself.
How can failure increase confidence?
Failure teaches lessons that make you stronger and wiser.
What are signs of a confident person?
A confident person speaks clearly and stays calm under pressure.
How does confidence affect communication?
It helps you speak clearly and express yourself better.
How can confidence impact your career?
Confidence helps you take risks and succeed professionally.
Why do some people lose confidence?
They lose it due to criticism or repeated failures.
How can parents help children gain confidence?
Parents can praise effort and encourage independence.
How can a teacher build confidence in students?
A teacher can motivate students and appreciate their progress.
What is self-confidence?
Self-confidence means trusting your own skills and judgment.
How can appearance affect confidence?
Looking neat and dressed well boosts self-esteem.
How does confidence relate to happiness?
Confident people feel happier and more satisfied.
How can overconfidence be harmful?
Overconfidence can lead to mistakes and poor decisions.
What are the benefits of confidence in teamwork?
Confidence helps you share ideas and work effectively with others.
How does confidence help in public speaking?
It helps you speak clearly without fear.
What are common fears that destroy confidence?
Fear of failure and rejection weaken confidence.
How can one overcome fear to gain confidence?
Facing fears regularly helps build courage and confidence.
How can positive thinking build confidence?
It replaces doubt with belief in success.
What is the difference between confidence and arrogance?
Confidence is humble belief. Arrogance is pride without respect.
How can exercise boost confidence?
Exercise makes you feel stronger and more capable.
How does learning new skills increase confidence?
It proves you can improve and master new things.
How can confidence help in relationships?
It helps you express feelings honestly and build trust.
How can success build confidence?
Each achievement increases belief in your ability.
How can failure damage confidence?
Repeated failures can make you doubt your potential.
How can reading books help build confidence?
Books teach lessons that inspire growth and belief.
How can you act confidently even when nervous?
You can smile, speak slowly, and stay calm.
What does it mean to fake confidence?
It means acting confident until you truly feel it.
How can practicing daily improve confidence?
Regular practice makes you more skilled and fearless.
How can gratitude increase confidence?
Being thankful shifts focus from weakness to strength.
How can comparison harm confidence?
Comparing yourself to others creates self-doubt.
How can confidence help in job interviews?
It helps you present yourself with clarity and strength.
How can self-care build confidence?
Taking care of your body and mind improves self-worth.
How does confidence help in making friends?
It allows you to start conversations easily and naturally.
How can you handle criticism confidently?
by learning from it instead of feeling hurt.
How can writing goals boost confidence?
Goals give direction and make success measurable.
How does confidence help you handle stress?
It keeps you calm and focused under pressure.
How can mindfulness improve confidence?
It helps you stay present and control negative thoughts.
How can achievements increase confidence?
Each small success adds to your belief in yourself.
How does confidence affect your personality?
It makes you more positive, bold, and attractive.
How can speaking practice improve confidence?
The more you speak, the less fear you feel.
How can kindness improve confidence?
Helping others makes you feel valuable and proud.
How can dressing professionally boost confidence?
It makes you look capable and feel respected.
How does posture show confidence?
Standing straight and relaxed shows inner strength.
How can planning your day improve confidence?
A clear plan makes you feel organized and capable.
How does self-discipline relate to confidence?
Discipline builds trust in your own commitment.
How can social media affect confidence?
It can lower confidence if you compare yourself to others.
How can smiling improve confidence?
Smiling changes mood and makes you feel positive.
How can preparation reduce nervousness?
Preparation makes you feel ready and secure.
How can confidence make you a leader?
It helps you inspire others and make decisions boldly.
How can learning from mistakes build confidence?
It shows that growth is always possible.
How can gratitude journals build confidence?
They remind you of your progress and strengths.
How can time management help confidence?
Being punctual shows control and responsibility.
How can friends affect your confidence?
Supportive friends lift your spirit and belief.
How can you speak confidently in class?
By preparing well and believing in your answer.
How can confidence attract success?
Confidence helps you take action and stand out.
How can positive people improve your confidence?
They motivate you and celebrate your progress.
How can confidence make learning easier?
It removes fear of failure and encourages effort.
How can you stay confident during challenges?
By focusing on solutions instead of problems.
How can motivation and confidence be connected?
Confidence fuels motivation to keep going.
How can you build confidence at work?
By learning skills and taking responsibility.
How can confidence affect your health?
It reduces stress and builds mental strength.
How can confidence improve decision-making?
It helps you trust your judgment and act firmly.
How can mentors help you build confidence?
They guide you and boost your self-belief.
How can practice in front of a mirror help confidence?
It improves your expressions and speaking skills.
How can daily affirmations increase confidence?
Repeating positive words builds inner strength.
How can traveling build confidence?
It teaches independence and adaptability.
How can reading success stories inspire confidence?
They show that effort leads to achievement.
How can helping others build your confidence?
It makes you feel useful and capable.
How can you stay confident during exams?
By trusting your preparation and staying calm.
How can teamwork build confidence?
Working with others teaches cooperation and trust.
How can hobbies improve confidence?
They give joy and develop personal skills.
How can confidence help you face rejection?
It helps you see rejection as a learning step.
How can gratitude and positivity grow confidence?
They keep your mind focused on progress and peace.
How can confidence change your mindset?
It turns fear into opportunity and hope.
How can learning languages improve confidence?
It opens new opportunities and strengthens communication.
How can honesty show confidence?
Telling the truth shows courage and self-respect.
How can confidence help you chase dreams?
It pushes you to act and never give up.
How can setting boundaries show confidence?
It shows you value your time and energy.
How can confident people inspire others?
They encourage others to believe in themselves.
How can confidence help in difficult conversations?
It helps you express thoughts calmly and clearly.
How can failure stories inspire confidence?
They prove that success often comes after struggle.
How can teachers boost students' confidence?
By praising effort and giving supportive feedback.
How can facing fears make you confident?
Each time you face fear, you grow stronger inside.
How can self-acceptance build confidence?
Loving who you are makes you truly strong.